What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So I haven't looked at Tesla in a while since my break, but we're going to be looking at it today and most likely continue the Monday series of an analyzing Tesla. So let's take a look at what has happened for the past couple of weeks. So look, this vertical line represents the earnings report that was just released late or mid-April, April 22nd. It looks like where price was relative to the earnings was a nice support, and that's what led price to move up higher. As you can see here, this looks like a micro quadruple bottom, or technically just a triple bottom. We have one right here, two, this is the third bounce, right around that low 220 level. Price could not continue lower any further, and price also lost this bearish trend line right here. So we saw a nice support hold, price break the bearish trend line, get to the highs of the range, not see any large selling, which would led it to breaking out. So this looks like a nice continuation higher. So if we do a measure move of the range, typically when you break out and it's successful, we can double it. So the target for Tesla is right around 345, and that might just be a temporary target. It may continue just trending up out of here for the foreseeable future. So overall, it looks strong. The price is telling me that the buyers are stepping in, expecting higher prices. Yes, we could see a little drop, maybe from this gap, maybe even come back to the 283 to retest the breakout. But all of this is still bullish territory. We would have to drop back inside the range for this to be bearish. As long as we're still in this vicinity, it's overall bullish. The ball is in the bull's court. So this is still looking very good for Tesla. Looking at the weekly chart, see what we could find on there. Back above the EMA, which is, definitely a good sign. Typically, that's what you expect to see when the correction is over. You expect price to get back above the EMA. Let's see if it can hold it. There's a good chance we most likely will. Long-term chart, you can see that we have this nice channel in play. Off the swing lows, you drag it up to the highs to find a parallel, to have a parallel line at the highs. And you can see that we did come up short of this channel zone right here. But you never know, right? It can always still maybe reach that measurement target, like I mentioned, 345, 347, and then maybe make another large leg down and then move up higher. That's definitely something that can occur. However, if the price is really strong, it may not reach the side of the channel, which is a better sign because maybe then we are making a newer channel, something steeper. So you can connect the swings, you drag this, line up to the top, and this might be the new channel to focus on. Instead of a shallower channel, we might be going a steeper channel. So you have to be adaptable. You can't have, your drawings just there forever. The market is always moving. Survival of the most adaptable. I used to think it's survival of the fittest. Technically, it's survival of the most adaptable, right? If you're not willing to adapt, if you're not willing to change, then you're going to get washed out because the universe is designed to continue to change. Entropy is against us. So it's designed to change, designed to make you move, designed for you to grow. And that applies to the market as well. The market is designed to change, it's designed to move, and we need to adapt. It looks like it was going for a shallow channel bounce, but if we're going to go in a steeper channel, maybe that's the new play to focus on. So let's see what happens. But overall, Tesla looking pretty bullish. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.